Hello everyone, today we will showcase the cleaning application of the JYD700E series ultrasonic cleaning generator in industrial production. JYD700E has functions such as constant power, timing, digital display, sweep frequency drive, adjustable power, and abnormal protection. The ultrasonic generator generates high-frequency oscillating electrical signals, which are converted into high-frequency mechanical vibrations through ultrasonic transducers and propagated into the cleaning solution, thereby achieving thorough cleaning of the cleaned workpiece and achieving the purpose of purification and cleaning. Ultrasonic cleaning generator is commonly used in conjunction with ultrasonic cleaning machine and ultrasonic vibration plate. It is used in instruments, electronics, semiconductors, chemistry, biology, optics, textile printing and dyeing, petrochemical industry, machinery industry, laboratories, etc. Learn more about ultrasound knowledge, please follow me.